Hey, thanks Intel for giving me the opportunity to be participate for Intel OneAPI Hackathon. So the problem which statement which I've taken, I tried to work on the retail industry where traditional retail industry which have inventory management issues which they manually entry. We have the inventory check-ins and real-time inventory tracking. So, and most of the retail businesses often struggle in inventory management and demand forecasting and personalized customer services. So I'm gonna build a RetailScanAI that addresses the challenges provided by robust AI-driven real-time data insights as well predictions, and LLM stack process the retail data, and it's gonna provide more kind of like information to retail industry that's helped them to restocking trend analysis and customer engagement. What is this idea is all about, like use of large language models to streamline operations of the retail management, which enable the customers to provide advanced capabilities to interact with their customer insights. How LLM is going to revolutionize the retail by reducing the inventory surplus and boost the customer satisfactions to 15% and reducing the inventory surplus to 20%, and unlock the data-driven insights to inform to make them decision-making the ones. And I've used the large language model to do it, and barcode scanning integration, real-time inventory updates, data analytics optimization, user-friendly interface, and retail scan is gonna be Intel OneAPI. I've shared the media link. If you click it here, it's gonna gives you the media link where I have given a detail about like how the retail scan is like a tech product which has a clarity to a driven ecosystem to elevate the inventory management, and it's helped the retail customers. And I've shared the architecture diagrams as well in my GitHub repository, which I can keep the ones. I seamlessly integrated a lot of Barco and IoT devices and created data pipelines with the help of Databricks and use a centralized data store. I might use because as part of this project we have to use more kind of like open source. That's what I'm intending to do, use the more open source databases which gonna help us to give the scalabilities as well, and use embedding of large language models. Not gonna be with OpenAI, which Hugging Face Transformers is one of the ones, and which gonna help the orchestration and enhancements with the help of LangChain and by RAG and LLM index to use harness of the true potential of the AI and application layer with the APIs, which gonna calls it to the external ones. And I'm gonna use static web, and we have the dashboard static web, so I'm gonna use the UI interface with Streamlight and use machine learning with the help of like Intel OpenView toolkit, which is gonna help me to how fast I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna use the Intel bare metal GPU, which gonna help me to run my application as well as interact with large language models, and that's gonna have those details once. Okay, let's go to my design. This is my GitHub link which I'm working at this moment for the RetailScanAI, which is I'm writing down the kind of like the model which I'm trying to build with RetailScan, and it's gonna be help the landscape of retail industry with the help of the large language model, and it's gonna be identify the market trends as well. So we have a problem statement